Welcome back to PokéRev TCG. Today I'm going to be doing 5 more Rev Pack 1 rip, and then I've never opened one of these before. I think this is the Crystal version 8.0 Crystal 1 in 200. Never opened one of these, so we'll go through everything on the back when we get to it. But what we'll do is we'll go through and open these 5 first and see what we get. I might pause it to find out the pack trick or what it's actually worth to see. Because if I get a legendary, I might not open it. Not sure. Have to see what it is. But so we'll just go through real quick. Level 1. I think the most common is the 4, Destined Rivals, Prismatic, Black Bolt, Silver Tempest, Phantasmal Flames, Vivid Voltage, Journey Together, and similar ones. Level 4 is 151, Lost Origin, Fusion Strike, Burning Shadows, Crown Zenith, Pygmalion Fates, Prism Invasion, and similar ones to that one. Level 20 is Hidden Fates, Evolving Skies, Evolutions, Cosmic Eclipse, and also similar one to that. And then the level 100 is Fossil Generations, Unbroken Bonds, Emerging Powers, Rocket, Primal Clash, Dragon Majesty, and similar to that. So I've only got up to a level 4. Haven't hit anything higher. I don't believe I got a level 20, but we'll see. We'll see what we get. So let's start with these 5 and see what we get. And ooh, Destined Rivals. Well, that's a good one to start off with. I haven't opened Destined Rivals in a while. I have never opened Destined Rivals on this channel, so pack is opening weird. Okay. So code card. And let's see. Pull anything good. My card. Shaman, Ethan's Adventure, Bomba Snow, Polo Pass, Team Rockets, Transceiver, and Ethan's Polo. Not too bad. At least we got EX out of it. Right there. Hit that a little bit. Okay. Let's bring these over here, and so we'll just put all the hits that we get right here. We'll do the next one. Let's see what we get. And ooh, Chilling Rain. Sword and Shield, so it's either 1 or level 4. I don't see it on there, but I would assume that it's, I know it's call it Chilling Pain. So like I said, it probably the highest is a level 4. Okay. So now it's 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Psychic, Raleigh, Hunter, Fire Resistant Gloves, Oregon, Roki, Mareep, Rockruff, Swirlix, reverse hollow weeding gloves, and hollow bee drill. Nice. Okay. Not too bad. So put these over here. Keep that separated. Okay, here comes the next one. And ooh, prismatic. Nice. Never. Oh no, I did. I opened prismatic on this channel. Okay. I think I did. So I think I only opened 5 though. So let's see. It's not a God pack, unfortunately, but let's see if we can get one of the SIRs from the Evolution SIRs. Sneasel, Techno Radar, Diplin, Glass Trumpet, ooh, a Pokeball, Archilindon, and Glaceon Reverse, and Jolteon Hollow. Well, we got a Evolution. Just sleeve up the Pokeball. I don't think I need that one in my set, but we'll see. Okay. I think that one too was prismatic. Yeah, it was level 1. So not sure if Chilling Rain was level 4, but so far we got all level 1s. And ooh, 151. I have never opened one on here. I'm almost positive this is level 4. Yes. Okay. So let's see if we pull. Yeah, code card. I don't know why I missed the code card. Let's see if we can pull something good. 151 I've opened a little bit. Got 1 Blooming Waters. And I got a poster collection. And I think a Zapdos box. That's it. I've not opened very many 151. Metapod. Ponyta, Poliwag, Pikachu, Dragonair, Seadra, Kabuto, Sandshrew, and Dratini, and Rio. Well, so far got a couple good packs, not many hits, but 51 prismatic and Chilling Rains, not too bad. So let's see, what is our last one? And ooh, Vivid Voltage, Sword and Shield, Vivid Voltage. Okay, I am going to be right back. I'm going to check this one out. Okay, I'm back. So this is pack's worth about $10. So, oh, actually, you know what? I'm dumb. Right there, Vivid Voltage. Freaking stupid. I thought it was a little bit higher, but pack check is 4. So we're going to pull 4 from the back and see which way is the, okay. Pick up the code card and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There we go. Okay. Seems like we pulled a lot of psychic energies today. Okay. Mightyena, Beauty, Stone Energy, the Skull, Meowth, Voltorb, Weedle, Drillbur, Reverse Hollow Beldum, and non-hollow air Quagsire. Okay, well, cool. Well, that was nice. That was the first time I ever opened. I believe it's the first time I ever opened Vivid Voltage. So, okay. Well, here we go. So, never opened these before. So, what I'm gonna do is let's go through it. So, green looks like it's Skyline Violet and Mega Evolution. Red, which is 1 in 3, is Sword and Shield. Silver is 1 in 10, Sword Moon and XY. Gold is Unlimited, Platinum, some Vintage and Japanese, and then Crystal is Guardians, EX Ruby Sapphire, or EX Emerald. And then there's a rainbow pack where you can get one of each of the green, red, silver, and gold. And then the charms, there's the different charms down here. So let's try not to look at the main one. So let's just grab out these and see. Okay. Here we go. So the first pack is Paldean Fates. Nice. I have never opened this pack on the channel. I have opened it. I think I got an ETB and I think I got one of those big boxes, but can't remember. I think this one is the Bubble Meal, but that I'll let you know for sure on the Gengar. I'll let you know for sure when I edit. Electric Generator. Oh, that looked very similar to the first card we pulled. Verse Pincho and Trio IR. Nice. On our first, only got really one hit out of all the other ones, but nice. This looks like what Journey Together. Oh no, that's Rivals again. Nice. Always love opening Destined Rivals. So, let's see. Come on, you two. Love to pull the Mewtwo again. I pulled it once. Again, I was stupid and sold it. Should have never sold. I gotta keep these now when I start pulling them. Weezing, Team Rockets, Petrol, Propass, Hippopotas, and Claydol, and Spiderless. Okay, cool. So far not too bad. We got 3 more left, and Scarlet and Violet base set. I haven't opened much of this either, but I know the hit rates are actually really good on this one. I believe I heard that you could even pull 2 SIRs out of the booster boxes from these. This is pre 151 is when that was. I don't remember what I heard. when that was. I know 151's not. I don't think oh crap. Obsidian Flames. You can either. So I'll have to look that up and see. Jax and Claw. Okay. Cool. Okay, so second last one. Ooh. How they evolved. Nice. This is another one I have not opened very much of. I think I have Scarlet and Violet. This the one I've opened the least. So let's see. Snover, Fletching, Roll Orb, Bolt Orb, Clable, Wasteland, Primate, Russia, Pelipepper, and Tinkatuff, and then Clodsire EX. Okay. Okay, so here we go. And last one is Paradox Swift. Okay, well, I've definitely opened a lot of Paradox Swift. It was in a lot of boxes. I don't think I've really pulled anything great out of it though, but we'll see. It's not one of my favorite sets. Kind of go through this one kind of quick and then see which one color we got. Tinkatuff, Phoebus, ooh, Larry Fort, nice. Okay, cool. I honestly don't think I've ever pulled that one, so nice. Oops, and then drop it and damage it. Okay, so let's see. Oh, silver. Wow, nice. So silver is Sun and Moon or X and Y. Wow, cool. Oh, awesome. I'm gonna keep that right there. Okay. Okay, cool. Well, let's see. That's my very first one. I got silver. Oh, geez, I can't open this correctly. There we go. Okay, I might have to take an air break and see what the price is and everything, and the pack trick. And let's see here. Whoa! Evolutions. Ooh, wow. Awesome. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Well, got a little disappointing news for you guys. I am not going to open this. This is an $80 pack. This is one of the most expensive packs I've ever held. And I'm going to decide I might open it at a different time, but I'm not going to open it now. But I did go back and I pulled one more. I got one more of these. So we'll go ahead and just open this and get that. So let's see. Ooh, Evolving Skies. Oh, I have never opened Evolving Skies either. And Evolving Skies is level 20, the first level 20. Well, I am gonna open this. Never opened one. If I pulled the Moonbrayon, oh, I would freak out. So, let's see. So, okay, and it is Sword and Shield, so it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right, here we go. My first time. Shopping Center, Hypno, Fletchingdender, Flabebe, Roggenrola, Bergmite, Nickit, Lippy Pup, Victini Reverse, and Tropis Rare. Oh, great. Well, that was a lot of fun. So these are the two big pulls we got. And of course, got the Evolutions pack. So, well, thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and leave a message. And as always, this is PokéRev TCG. Have a great day. See you next time.